Let me kill the imposter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I think you're seeing me for the first time completely, like properly talking and describing what we're doing today. Today we're doing yummy cakesicles. The theme is Among Us game, which you know is very famous right now and people are playing it a lot. We haven't started playing it yet, but I really wanted to create something around it. So I thought, why not do some cakesicles. Few days back on Instagram I asked people what they wanted to see on our channel, and they also said cakesicles. So I thought of mixing the two ideas that we had and getting you this cakesicle over here. So I hope you like the process. Whatever queries you all have, you all can comment down below and let me know. And I think the process is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll be describing everything probably while talking, and also maybe I can add it on the screen if I don't describe it. So whatever works at the editing table, we'll do that. And let's start with the process. So guys, to make cakesicles, first of all you need popsicle or cakesicle stick. This you can easily get at any bakery supply stores these days, or any grocery stores, or maybe you can also check those party stores where you get these paper plates and stuff for parties. So you may get it there as well. They're regular just wooden sticks. Okay. Now with that, what I have is here is these chocolate cake crumbs. Okay, so what I've done is I had made a round cake and made crumbs out of it, and added some chocolate ganache to it. You can definitely refer to my chocolate cake recipe. It also has my ganache recipe, and make this out of that. What I've done is I've just taken my chocolate cake crumb and added a few tablespoons of ganache. There's no specific quantity. You just have to add ganache and mix it and make a mixture. And how you test is it? You just make a ball out of it, and once your ball is ready, you see there are no cracks in it, right? So it has to be this kind of consistency for your cakesicles. To make our Among Us character cakesicles, what we'll do is, we don't need it to be very thick or very thin because you need to insert the stick, so you obviously need a little bit thickness. I'm not using any molds, so we're going to design it with our hands. We're going to carve it, basically give shape with our hands. So I'm going to make a cylindrical shape. It's actually nothing but U, like a U from top, and there are two legs at the bottom, right? So what I'm going to do is just give it a nice shape, flatten it a bit. Alright, so it's basically a cakesicle shape only. You can see that, like a popsicle shape. Flatten it a bit, keep it on the surface, alright, and then give it a very tiny cut at the bottom. Alright, do not give it यहाँ से आपको एकदम नीचे से देना है, ठीक है? Why नीचे से? Because जब आप इसको शेप दोगे, ये जो आपके दो पैर हैं, ठीक है, इसको भी आप शेप दोगे obviously, so you have to be very careful with that, क्योंकि आप यहाँ से इसको थोड़ा सा पुश करोगे, राइट? इसके लिए मैंने इतना नीचे दिया ताकि आपका और कट ना जाए, like it shouldn't be more like the torso doesn't have to be very tiny, okay? So it has to be like at least this much, so you can insert the cakesicle stick. Alright, just give it a nice rounded shape to the legs, and this has to go in the freezer, guys, to set. Now this is how your shape looks like. I'm going to insert the cakesicle stick from the center. So obviously you need to have that much area for the cakesicle stick to hold it. Alright. Now I'll make one more cakesicle like that, and I'll freeze it for at least 1 hour, 1.5 hours maybe, until it's solid. And probably I'll add a parchment paper down so it doesn't stick to my plate. So guys, my cakesicles are out of the freezer and they become pretty hard, but they're pretty cold. So if I dip them in chocolate right now, the chocolate will crack. So I need to let them come to a little bit room temperature. Till that time, what I'll do is I'll try and insert my cakesicle sticks. So what I'm going to do is, this is my stick and this is the center part of the cakesicle. So I'm going to try and insert it like that, but very, very gently so it doesn't break. Alright, That's how you very gently hold the upper body of the cakesicle and insert it right in the center. Okay? Very, very, very gently. Do not break it. Alright? So guys, I've taken white chocolate compound from Maude here, and I've colored it with this oil candy color from Bake Haven. Now I'm going to pour this chocolate in a glass because I need the whole cakesicle to be covered. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cakesicle and just going to dip it inside the chocolate. Very gently because these parts are really delicate. And I've purposely taken a little less chocolate so I can coat this part with the help of my spatula so I don't spoil my cakesicle stick. But you have to be extremely gentle because this is pretty heavy, and be a little quick because it can fall off the stick. Just to coat the inside part of the legs, you can take a thinner brush and use it in giving the detailings inside. So to fill in these gaps inside, I'm going to quickly take a thick brush and take my yellow chocolate on it and just slightly coat it inside. Now to make a different color out of this, I'm going to add this color from Sugar In. This is in the color red. It's a powder color. The sticker has gone really bad. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I want to make it a little orangish in color. Give it a nice stir. And I think it's become thick again because I'm working in AC. So I'm going to go and melt it again on the double boiler a little bit so the fluidity becomes better. So my chocolate is off the double boiler and this is how it looks. Okay, it's not too hot, it's a little bit warm. Now this is my second cakesicle. I have to be very gentle again. So I'm going to go in with one dip, alright, and then quickly take my brush. Maybe you can also use a thicker brush if you want, if you're comfortable with that. It's a little tricky. You have to be very, very gentle, guys. The whole cakesicle can also slide off, so you need to be extremely quick. In case you're not comfortable in holding it and doing it, keep it on the plate and then do it, the bottom part. Now take a little more chocolate and brush it inside. Now I've placed these in the freezer for 5 to 7 minutes or in the fridge for say around 10 minutes, and then I'll remove them and I'll show you how we do the decoration on the top. So guys, I've just made one backpack for the yellow one. They're so cute. You could just make sure that you're covering all the sides, unlike mine. But I feel they look extremely cute, and I think they're good for gifting. And if you like to probably call over people now that COVID is not completely gone, but I'm sure everybody is going out and meeting people. We haven't done that yet, but I know a lot of people doing that. So if y'all are also one of them, probably celebrate with your friends and make this for them, or maybe you can also make it at home and send it as a gift for them. I'm sure they'll be really happy because Among Us is really famous right now, and this looks really pretty. I hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, you know what to do. You need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and of course share it with your friends and family, and please definitely subscribe to our channel, because I think 81% of the audience is just watching the videos for free and not subscribing to our channel. That's not fair, guys. Go ahead and subscribe and give it a like, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you all soon. Bye.